I love coming here. You hear at home, you only hear sirens, ambulance, plane, helicopter, and people. Here, you're in the middle of nature. Can you guys hear it? Listen to the sound of the woods. So peaceful. इसको बोलते हैं सुकून. इतना प्यारा जगह, इतना beautiful. One of Allah's beautiful, natural made, enhanced by men for us to enjoy. One of the many blessings of Allah that we get to enjoy His beauty and breathe this fresh air. Just amazing. You have to be grateful. You have to be thankful for each and every blessings you have. You might not have everything, but you have your health, you have your family, you have your rizq, which is your job and your earnings, and then you have your family, and then you have your friends that beautify your life. For me, I am forever grateful for every blessing I have in my home, and my children, and my family, and our moms, all three moms. And as much as we don't have our dads, we still feel their presence every day, everywhere. And what a blessing. You know, we are very fortunate. Fortunate in the sense, you know, we have a roof over our head. We may not have a big balance in the bank, but we are grateful for what we have, you know. And family and friends make it beautiful. I just love coming over here. Many moons ago, many years ago, one of my co-workers told me about this. And this place gives me so much peace, so much, just I can't explain. I just can't explain. This is about 3 hours away from home in Anaheim. We are gonna spend the night at Solvang tonight, and then I'm taking them to Big Sur in tomorrow before we get home.